Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting the band of pride, tradition, and excellence, the award-winning North Hills High School Marching Band, led on the field by drum major Annalise McGee. Tonight, we bring you our Kings and Queens show of 2018. The show will feature some of the best-known kings and queens in the music business. What better way to begin the show than with the original king of rock and roll himself, Elvis. Can't Help Falling in Love was featured in Presley's 1961 film, Blue Hawaii. During the following 4 decades, it has been covered by numerous artists around the world, but no one can do it like the king himself. Here to open our King and Queen show is the original king of rock and roll. Our flags and majorettes, along with drum major Annalise McGee, as they dance the night away to the king of pop himself, Michael Jackson. I Want You Back is a 1969 single by the Jackson 5, which became a #1 hit for the band and the Motown label in the early 1970s. I Want You Back was ranked 121st on the Rolling Stones list of the 500 greatest songs of all time. Here's the king of pop, Michael Jackson, I Want You Back. We'll also feature soloist Scott Clay and Emerson Spear on trombone. Of the best-known kings and queens of the music business, we have the one and only king of the jungle, Simba. In the movie The Lion King, Simba is rejoined by his childhood friend Nala. When they come across each other once again, they both become overjoyed that maybe they can restore their kingdom as king and queen together. The band closes this evening's performance and their Kings and Queens show with Can You Feel the Love Tonight? Can You Feel the Love Tonight will feature senior trumpet soloists Charlie Knox, Andrew Everett, Isabella Cotica, Donnie White, and drum major Annalise McGee on alto sax. And of course, we couldn't leave the field without playing Some Queen, featuring the North Hills Low Brass section.